Hello friends, I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to discuss on IB, that is Intelligence Bureau. The notification was released in the month of December. This is the first application we are going to fill in the month of January. The last date to fill this application is Jan 12th. So now we are going to discuss on what is the salary, what is the age limit to apply this application, what is the syllabus, and what are the stages are there to clear this examination. First we will know what is IB. IB is comes under Ministry of Home Affairs. This examination will be conducted by the MHA. This is a grade 2 examination, and this is a central service exam that is comes under Group C, non-gazetted and non-ministerial post. Total there are 2000 vacancies for the post of Assistant Central Intelligence Officer, grade 2. Here we are discussing vacancies by category. General we have 989, OBC we have 417, EWS we have 113, SC we have 360, and AST we have 121 vacancies. Altogether total we have 2000 vacancies are there. Now we will discuss what are the stages we have to clear this examination. We have a tier 1 and tier 2 and tier interview. First we will talk about tier 1. What are the syllabus is there. To clear this examination we have 5 subjects: general awareness, quantitative aptitude, numerical, English, and general studies. Each subject covers 20 marks. Total 100 marks paper will be there. The time duration to this examination is 1 hour. Next we have a tier 2 examination, that is a descriptive. Essay will be there for 30 marks, and English comprehension and precise writing 20 marks. Total marks will be this examination is 50 marks. The time duration for this examination is 1 hour. Next we have tier 3, that comes under the interview. Total marks will be there 100. Next we have education qualification, bachelor's degrees in any stream from a recognized university, must have a knowledge of computers. Age limit is minimum 18 years and maximum 27. Age relaxation is SC ST 5 years, OBC 3 years. Next, salary we will get 44,900, and other allowances will be there 20% of basic pay. Total comes together 60,000 plus, and also we will get 13 months salary instead of 12 months salary in a year. And the examination fee 100 for male candidates and OBC and general, and no fees for all SC ST and all female candidates. And recruitment processing fee will be there for all the categories, that is 500. Total fee will be 600 for male candidates and OBC and general, and 500 for females and SC ST candidates. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you all got the information which are required to fill the application. Please do subscribe the channel and like the video and share.